Name of chapter is linear programming. Have you heard the name linear programming somewhere? Linear programming. Oh, wait, I think this is having some issue. Okay. So, what do you mean by linear programming? See, in any business, one encounters situation of maximizing profit or minimizing the cost of production. Correct? If you are having a business, you want to maximize the profit, or you want to minimize the cost of production. So for these thing we require some mathematical formulation that is called linear programming. We'll be learning soon how can we find the maximization, how can you maximize the profit, correct, and how can you minimize the cost of production. These type of question we will be dealing in this session, in this topic. But before going to this, let us learn about sketching the graph. Okay, so in the sketching the graph, do you know, if I gave you some like equation that is say x plus 2y equal to 7, can you draw the line, can you draw the graph of this? How will you draw it? What is the method? Can somebody, what is the method to draw this? First of all, what is the graph of this, whether it is straight line, circle, or something else? What do you think? That whether, first question, whether this is a straight line or something else on the graph. How can you assure? Yeah, how can you assure this is a straight line? Perfect. This is a linear equation. That's why the word C. You see that linear. Linear means what? The degree of each variable must be 1. Here do you see x power is 1, y power is 1. That is, in general, any straight line is of this form: ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Is that clear? This is general straight line, equation of a straight line. Correct? Now, to draw a straight line, can I draw a straight line with a single point? If I'm having a single point, how many straight lines are there passing through this point? If you are having a single point, how many straight line can I draw from this passing through this point? Yeah, infinitely many, correct? Do you agree, everyone? See, like this also, correct? Like this also. But I want only one straight line, so I required minimum 2 point. Do you agree? Do you agree? Suppose 1 point is here, and 1 point, if I am giving 1 point here, then I'll be having a unique straight line. Do you agree? I cannot having, I cannot have more than one straight line passing through these 2 points. Correct? So to draw a straight line, we require 2 points. Is that okay? Is that okay, everyone? Yeah. So let us see how to draw this equation. X plus 2y equal to 7. I'll write it here: x plus 2y equal to 7. So now what, I need 2 points which satisfy the equation. So can you give me 2 points here which satisfy the equation? How will you find the 2 points? 2 points means what? You should write it something like either x equal to 7 minus 2y, or y is equal to something in terms of that. Then put some value of y, get the value of x. Is that okay? Or put some value of, say, y equal to, suppose I am putting y is equal to 1, correct? So what will be the value of x if you put in this equation y equal to 1? Yeah, x equal to 5. So what is the point? 5 comma 1. Do you agree? uh, what about next? If I put y is equal to 0, then x equal to 7. Do you agree? 7 comma 0. Perfect. So this is how you can take any point, any 2 point which is convenient to you, like that. So yes. Oh, sorry. If you put y equal to 0, x equal to 7. Okay, let us draw this. So first one is 5 comma 1. So suppose I am putting 5 here. You need to write it all. 1 2 3 4 up to 5, then 6, then 7. I'll just randomly say 5, and 1 will be somewhere here. 1 will be here, correct? So the first point will be this guy. This is my first point. Do you agree, everyone? This is 5 comma 1. On x-axis I am putting 5, and on y-axis that is 1. So this is my first point. What is my second point? 7 comma 0. On x-axis it is 7, on y-axis it is 0. So this will be somewhere here, something like this. This is 7. Yes, this will be my second point. So now what? You just have to join these 2 points, and you will be having your straight line. This is your equation of straight line. Correct? Is that clear, everyone, how to draw the straight line? Yeah. Now observe something. This straight line divides your whole plane in two parts. One part is this side and one part is this side. Do you see that? This straight line divide your plane in two region. One is this region and one is this region. Is that okay? Now, so to differentiate कि कौन सा region किधर है, so we will say the region which is origin side will say like this. Origin side means what? Means I'm talking about, if I'm talking about this region. So this region contains origin. Do you agree? Do you agree, everyone? Earlier I was having x plus 2y is equal to 7. So I draw the line, that was a straight line, correct? Now I want to talk about this region. This is actually x plus 2y less than 7. This is actually x plus 2y less than 7, or less than equal to bola, then I'll include the boundary also. Now let us check whether this is satisfying or not. The thing is that whether this region is the shaded region, what you have to do, you have to take any point here and check whether this is satisfying the equation or not. So if I want to take any point, better to take 0 0, that is origin. So if I put origin here, that is 0 comma 0. So what I will be having, 0 is less than equal to 7. Is this true? 0 is less than 7. Is this true? या इट इज ट्रू. परफेक्ट. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? अगर ये ड्रॉ करना है अपने को, क्या करना पड़ेगा? एक स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. फिर ये साइड से कोई एक पॉइंट उठाओ, चेक करो वेदर दिस गाय इज लाइंग दिस साइड, वेदर दिस गाय इज सेटिस्फाइंग द इक्वेशन, देन यू विल से दिस. अगर सपोज द क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड ड्रॉ दिस x plus 2y is greater than 7, then what? Then again same thing, I will check origin only. See, if I put origin that is 0 0, that means this will come 0 is greater than equal to 7. That means what? This is not true, you say, correct? This thing is not true, na? That means what? Your region is not this side, it is this side. Non-origin side. We'll say this as non-origin side. And this is called origin side. Is that clear? So any straight line divides your plane into two parts. One will be origin side, one will be non-origin side. नाउ देयर में भी केसेस की ओरिजिन साइड आए ही ना, ऐसा कुछ मतलब इफ योर स्ट्रेट लाइन इज ऑन दिस ओनली, समथिंग लाइक दिस. I'll give just one example. Is that clear everything? Is it clear everything whatever I just not talked about? Yes. Yeah. So if you are having a straight line divides your plane into two part. One will be origin side, one will be non-origin side. Mostly, in some cases, it is not true. Actually, I'll just tell you one example. Say if I say x is equal to y. First of all, is this a straight line? Is this a straight line? First of all, quickly, come on, first. Is this a straight line? No, you can simply say, sir, this is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So this is a straight line. Do you see this is of this form? I can write this guy as x minus y is equal to 0. Can you see that? So what will be your a? A is 1, b is minus 1, c is 0. So this is a straight line. Or simple way to say that, sir, both of them is having, both the variable is having degree 1. Highest power is 1 here also, highest power 1 here also. Correct? Now what do I want? To draw this straight line, what do I want? Yes, I want 2 points, correct? So in this, if I put y is equal to 1, what will be my x? That is also 1. If I put y is equal to 0, then x is also 0. Do you agree? So this is 1 comma 1 and this is 0 comma 0. Correct? So the point will be something 0 comma 0 here and 1 comma 1 will be somewhere here. Do you see the graph? Do you see the straight line? Okay. So now this is the straight line. Now my question is that I'm naming this region as A, this side region I am naming it as A, and this side region I am naming it as B. Okay. Now I gave you two equation, two inequality, that is x plus y uh, that is less than equal to 0 and x plus y that is greater than equal to 0. Which of them is A and which of them is B? First of all, is it clear? This was a straight line. Agar at the place of is equal to, if I put either less than or greater than, oh sorry, I think I did a mistake here. I should write like this. See, at the place of equal to, I am putting this. X is less than equal to y, and here I put x is greater than equal to y. So can you tell me which side is A and which side is B? Anyone? How can you do that? My question is this. Hello, can you hear me? Okay, how can you say that? Means what did you do to, how can you convey this thing? What is the logic behind this? Yes. Okay, somebody is saying both are B. See, suppose you want to see whether uh, x is less than equal to y, whether you want to claim this is A, correct? So what do you mean by that? Any point here satisfy this equation? Is that okay? Any point lying here must satisfy the equation. So what, I will choose one point. The best point would be on the axis. If my point is on the axis, suppose I choose a point here. What will be the coordinate of this point? Suppose you can assume it as minus 2 comma 0. Is that okay? Yeah. Earlier I was putting origin, but in our case origin is already there on the line, so I cannot choose origin to decide whether the region is this side or that side, correct? So I'll choose some other point. If I want to claim that this guy is same as this region, that is a region, so I will choose one point and check whether this is satisfying the equation or not. Now check, what is the x? X is minus 2, what is y? 0. If I put minus 2 here and that is less than equal to 0, is this true? Is this true? Yeah, minus 2 is less. This is true now. Why are you saying no? Correct, this is true. That means what? This is the region A. Do you agree, everyone? What did I do? I wanted to decide which region is that, so I choose one point. Better to, you can choose here also some point and check whether it is satisfying or not. Now what else? If this is my region, तो ये क्या आएगा? अभी B आएगा. You already know that. But if you want to still claim, so what can you do? You can choose one point here, correct? Or you can choose the same point and whether it is not satisfying, तो ये इस side आएगा ऐसा. Or you can choose one point. Suppose I am choosing this point. Say this point is 2 comma 0. So what will be this? This is 2 is greater than equal to 0. Whether it is satisfying the equation? Yes, no, 2 is greater than 0. So this is your B. So this is your region B. Is that clear, everyone? Yeah. So do you observe something? If you are having equality, that is something, I'll write something like this: ax plus by equal to c. Suppose if I'm having an equation like this, if you are having a equality, then you'll be having a straight line, correct? If you are having less than equal or greater than equal or something like only less than or only greater than, correct, then you'll be having a region. Do you agree? Do you agree, everyone? That is what I will do. I'll draw a straight line first. Suppose my straight line is like this, correct? Now this straight line is dividing the equation into two parts. One part is this part and another part is this part, correct? One of them would be less than sign, one of them would be greater than sign. अगर strictly less than and greater than बोला तो that line is not included in the system. Is that okay? Is that okay, everyone? Yeah. Now my question is that, yeah, find the solution for the inequality y is less than equal to minus 3. Can you draw this region? Y is less than equal to minus 3. Can you draw this? What will you do? Forget about inequality. Just put y equal to minus 3. You'll get a straight line. Do you agree? Yeah. So first step is this only. Forget about inequality. Put x is equal to there. Then draw the straight line. What will be the 2 point? Can you give me 2 point for this? Y equal to minus 3. What will be the 2 points? Y is always fixed. Do you agree? X can be anything. X can be anything. You either put 1, 2, anything you put. It is always fixed. Do you see that? Can somebody tell me what will be the graph? minus 3 will be somewhere here, so it will be a straight line parallel to x-axis, if you remember. So this is the graph of y is equal to minus 3. See, take any point. What is the coordinate for this point? 1 comma minus 3, 2 comma minus 3, like that. Is that clear, everyone? Is the first step clear? I just draw the graph of a straight line, that is y equal to minus 3. uh, See, y is equal to minus 3 was there, that means x can be anything, it is not dependent on x. So I'm putting x equal to any two values, 1 and 2. So the graph will be something like this. On y axis this is minus 3. Take any point. What is the coordinate for this point? You can see this will be 1 comma minus 3, 2 comma minus 3, something like minus 1 comma minus 3 minus. So it is not dependent on x. Is that okay? Is that clear? Yeah. Now the next question is, can you draw this part now? Y is less than equal to minus 3. How can you say? This may be either this side or that side, correct? So I'll tell this region as A, this side, and this side I am putting as B. Can you tell me which region is this and how? Can someone? Okay, you are saying the region is B. Anybody else? So what are the two region first? Let me draw with the color if you are getting confused with this. So the first region is this part. Okay, and the second region is this part. Okay, my question is that whether y is less than equal to minus 3, you already know अगर less than equal to आया तो ये region है, correct? This is not a straight line now. This will be either this side or that side, that is upper side or lower side. So which side is this equation? How can you claim? I already told you the trick in the last question, if you remember. Yes, anyone? What should I do? Hey, come on, answer. No, whether you can hear me or not. Yeah. So you are saying yellow region? Okay. Anybody else? Anyone else? Okay. The simplest way to do that. Suppose you want to claim whether this is this region, correct? You take a point here. Take a point. Suppose the best point would be origin. Do you agree? So check origin is satisfying or not. If origin is satisfying then equation, then the graph will be this, otherwise this. Do you agree? So what is the coordinate for origin? That is 0 0. If I put 0 0 here, so this will become 0 is less than equal to minus 3. Is this true? Is this true? 0 is less than equal to minus 3. Is this true? अरे अभी ये तो बोलो. अरे, why are you not answering? No na. Correct. It's false. Correct. मतलब ग्राफ कौन सा आएगा तुम्हारा, ये वाला आएगा। डू यू एग्री? दैट मीन्स 0 0 इज नॉट इन माई रीजन, सो ये वाला पार्ट नहीं आएगा, मेरा आंसर क्या आएगा, ये वाला पार्ट आएगा। डू यू एग्री? सो अगर क्वेश्चन आया तो तुमको ये शेड करना है, ये जैसे मैंने दो शेड करके किया है, ये सब नहीं करना है। यू जस्ट डायरेक्टली हैव टू, आई ड्रॉ इन द नेक्स्ट पेज मे बी, you just directly have to draw this, the straight line, this, and this is my straight line, the graph will be this shaded region. You put an arrow on the edge, something like this. This is the region. Is that okay? Is that clear everyone? This is my region. Which region is this? Y is less than equal to -3. Is that okay? Is that clear everyone? Yeah, I'll quickly ask one more question, or I will give some homework also. Sketch the graph. Can you draw this? Start with this quickly. What is the step 1? What is the step 1? Yes. First, draw the straight line. Can you tell me 2 points which satisfy the equation? Can you tell me 2 points which satisfy the equation? The best way is here, put x equal to 0, get value of y, and put y equal to 0, get value of x. Do you see that? What will be the value if I put x equal to 0? Hello? If I put x equal to 0, what will be my answer? In the equation, if I put x 0, this will become 0. This will be minus 5y, that is 10. So y equal to -2. Is that correct? And what about this thing? If I put y equal to 0, then x is 5. Hello? Can you hear me? Is that correct? Now tell me, where will be this point? 0 comma -2 will be somewhere here, and 5 comma 0 will be somewhere here. Correct? So I'll just plot the thing. Now this is my straight line. Now can somebody tell me which side is this graph? You want to draw this thing. 2x minus 5y less than 10. What should I do? You are having two region. One is either this side or this side. Here origin is there, so you can ask whether which of them is, whether the graph is origin side or non-origin side. What is your answer? Whether it is origin side or non-origin? How can you clean that? How can you say? Very nice, very nice. If you substitute the coordinate of origin, that is your equation is 2x minus 5y, that is less than 10. If you put origin, that is 0 is less than 10. Is it true? Yes, that is definitely true. Correct? So the graph is this side. This is your graph. This is your shaded region. Is that correct, everyone? Yes? Good. I'll give some question for you. Homework problem. You can put it in the Google Classroom after completing. Sketch the graph only. Huh? The first question is 3x plus 4y minus 12 is greater than or equal to 0. Sketch the graph. Second question, ये क्वेश्चन किया है क्या हम लोगों ने 2x माइनस 5y का? Oh, this is looking same. I'll give 2x, say minus y, and that is less than 0. Third one, 4x minus 7y, that is greater than 0. Fourth one, 4x minus 3y, that is greater than 2. Okay. Is that clear, everyone?